National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for West Central Grant Parish, Central Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Wayne Parish, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Natchitoches, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Natchitoches, Montgomery, Provençal, Natchez, Clarence, Calvin, Atlanta, Flora, Bermuda, and St. Maurice. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Grant, Natchitoches, and Wynne. The tornado warning for